Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a really cool truck, except for the repaint, pretty original. I mean, there you can see the probably original grill surround. It was Game Fish and Parks out of Riverton, Wyoming. You can see the old label on the sides out of Graybull, Wyoming, where it was probably sold new. Last guy repainted it, did a nice job, got good shine to it. Yeah, cores out of Graybull. So body's pretty good. Few rock chips right there and right there on both sides. Inside was originally green, and they switched it over to black, which it's hard to find a new green vinyl, so that's why they did that. Does have power steering. That's about it. Not a lot, but pretty cool. Got two spotlights. So big back window, step side box, aftermarket wheels. They redid the bed. A few scratches on the inside of that. Custom bumper. But very nice shape. Occasional small little scratch or chip, and like I said, right here where the tires kicked it. Out of Wyoming and western South Dakota, you gotta drive down some gravel roads, so you're gonna get some of that. But if you want a cool, basically unmolested truck, non-original motor in it, motor I believe is out of a 76, from what I could quick, I just know it wasn't numbers matching. So, but 350 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, Shortbox step side, 2-owner, really cool history on it. 605-695-7391.